Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change the audio settings in Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era. Let's first open the settings menu. From here, navigate to the audio tab. Here you can change the master volume, the music volume, user interface volume, sound effects volume, and mute the sound while minimized. To change the value associated, simply drag this dot on the gauge. Select a value from the range of between 0 and 100. Master volume controls overrides. Not overrides, it influences other types of sounds, and volume controls. For example, if I set it to 50 and all of this to 100, the effective volume will be halved. So effectively 50 right here. If I change it to 25, it will be 25. If I set this, for example, to 50, I can set this to 40, this will be 20, etc, etc. Of course, customize those however you wish. I will do something like that, I think, and I will leave mute sound when minimized enabled. After all that, hit accept to save the changes. And next, you can close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video as well.